So Christopher, yes, you want to say something? Tell me.
I'm already subscribed with the MCG Hub since last year, I guess. And then I have a success, and I can say it's really amazing. Thank you very
Yeah,
much. Big help. I learned a lot already MEP, but I
yeah,
learned more when I access with the MCG Hub, and this is a very good. I can say, Sandeep, very good
yeah.
initiative that you are doing, and I do believe everyone should invest, and it's worth investing. I'm telling you, investing. There's one more thing I want to know.
Yes.
Since I'm already subscribed to MCG, if I am interested at this time, I'm interested on everything, but interested at this time to add more about beam modeling basic or fundamental, and
Okay.
how much do I need to add to have that access possible?
Okay. See, this is the silver membership. This is the separate
Mhm.
membership program, and what you join, that is only, I think, it's a small package. It's for the only MEP system. I think they are only the electrical, plumbing, firefighting, and all those systems are there in the 5 package and the project management. So that is a small package what I have created earlier. I think you was joined there. You are not in
Yeah,
the
yeah,
silver membership program. So
but not yet. Yeah.
you have to go through this particular silver membership link, and you have to whatever the price you need to pay. Then you can get the access, and it's a it is, and everything is automated. Again, I cannot control everything because
Yeah.
this particular platform, it is executed by somebody, a third party. Okay, I am just
Mm.
as a facilitator. I am doing all the things. I am using their platform. Okay, so that is said by them. So you have to go there. Just the link is there. Just go there and check, and you just click, and you need to pay that. If what is the price mentioned over there? I think 5,999. So accordingly, you will get the access, and you can immediately learn some of the BIM basic fundamental classes already done. 4 classes already done. So you go there, you can learn about the Navy Sacks and about the BIM concept, and what are the basic comment using to find out the classes, the different level of classes between the pipes and ducts and other MEP systems. So that you can get, and rest of the things I already told you. What are the things are there inside, and it is my purpose is not to enhance you as a technically more sound. My purpose is to enhance you much beyond that. And Christopher, you are already in the 30 years of experience, and you know many things. But still, if you want to eager to join this kind of program, it means I have created some value. I think so, right? So
Yeah,
you
yeah,
just
very
go there.
much. Yeah,
Yeah,
very much, very much.
just go there, and just join this program. And
Mm.
definitely, maybe in future, who knows, we'll collaborate and we'll do something different in our life, right now.
Yeah, sure. This is what I understand. It's not only about us getting benefit
Yes,
from your teaching, but maybe in the future we can collaborate.
exactly,
We can
exactly.
get,
And
yeah, yeah.
yeah, I
Um,
cannot change this construction world by myself. I need people like you. I need to be
exactly.
joined with these people. Okay, then only it is possible to make something different in this world. And it is only possible when people are aligned with our thinking. That frequency should
That's
be
correct.
matched, right? No,
Mm. Yeah.
yeah,
I'm one thing,
uh,
because one thing, like I want to teach
yeah. Thank
my
you, Manoj. Yeah,
engineers,
definitely.
but now I have the materials that I can use through your platform. Yeah.
Oh,
It will
great,
be easier for me to teach because I have the platform already from you, so it will be easier for me to mentor others as
great.
well. So this is very good, Sandip. Yeah. Mm.
Great, great. There is a many more things is there in my mind. Okay, there is many more things. Idea is there, so definitely it will make huge impact in the not only India, the all over the world. Once upon a time, who knows? After 1 year, we'll living somewhere else. Okay,
Yeah.
so that is my
Keep it up.
thinking.
Keep it up.
Yes, thank you.
All right.
So just go there, and if you want to facing any problem, just tell me. Not an issue. I'll just
Okay, sure. Thank you.